We're at gotomath.com working some calculus. We're down here doing related rate problems, and we are in this section right here. So we're going to be looking at the volume of a cube, and we're going to be working a problem that's similar to that right here. So the volume of a cube is changing with respect to time. We want to find dV over dt when x equals 4 centimeters, and dx over dt is equal to 5 centimeters per second. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's move into the classroom here. So we have a cube, and its volume is changing for some odd reason. Who knows why? Actually, its volume is increasing. Um, and we're trying to draw a cube here. So for some reason, it's increasing. Maybe it's being heated up or something. I don't know. Okay, so some things that they gave us. Well, first let me say this: they're asking for the change of the volume with respect to time, and that tells us that um, we're going to need to know the formula for finding the volume of a cube. Now, if it's a cube, we know that this side and this side and this side here, length, width, and height, are all the same. Their length, width, and height is all the same. Okay. Um, and so that's a cube. All right, and the volume of a cube is just simply x times x times x, which is x cubed. That's the reason we call that cubed, right? X cubed. And so some things that they gave us, they said when x is equal to 4 centimeters and dx over dt is equal to 5 centimeters per second. 5 centimeters per second. So this side right here, or all the sides, are all increasing at 5 centimeters per second. And we want to know what dV over dt is. That's the question. So what we'll want to do is just simply take the derivative. So the derivative v is 1, but then we write dV over dt, and then this is 3x squared, and then dx over dt. And of course, this is a pretty easy problem here, right? So we got dV over dt, and then we just say 3 times x. They gave us that up there as 4, so that's 4 squared, and then they gave us dx over dt, and that is 5. And then all we got to do is just multiply all that stuff together, and we end up with 240, I believe. And now, I'll probably make some changes here, but I think it did say round to 2 decimal places, so we're going to throw 2 zeros on the end of this. I know that this is just an integer here, but that's what we're going to do. However, there may be some changes made in the scripting there. I think I'll change that for this problem where we don't have to round, but we're going to go ahead and do that anyway. It's okay. And remember, don't leave off our units. This was centimeters cubed, and with respect to time, and time was in seconds there, obviously. And so that's, we'll just rewrite dV over dt. So that's a pretty easy problem. Pretty easy problem, okay? Pretty easy problem. Okay, of course, these are different numbers here, but same problem. Remember, we're in, I about said channel 5. We're here in section 5. We're doing related rates, and remember where you are. You are at gotomath.com. See you there.